Yo, what's up? Really say, how are you guys doing, man? This song that I'm about to react to is my personal favorite song from Zim 10 years ago. I cannot believe it's been 10 years since this song has come out, and I think the other guy who initially wrote this song, I think, passed away. Prince K passed away. So you know, it's a tragedy. Okay, whatever. Uh, Thank you so much for watching this. If you're watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. So, did not gonna go taura Chishona Gadike. So let's see if I still remember this. 2013. I remember the song because 2013 is the year that was like the best year for me because that's the year that I met my now wife. So 2013 has like this special place in my heart, and everything kind of becomes a blur because I just got to meet the most beautiful person you have ever seen. And she's not my wife, so 2013. Especially Rudo, that's the name. Runonzi Rudo. Forgot what Runonzi, but I mean, can understand. Anyway, yeah. I don't want to miss the beginning of it. Actually, my name is Titi and I am from Botswana, guys. So here we go. It seems like 2013. Yeah, now I see why this song is also special because, like I told you guys, 2018 was special year. And the song is a love song. For those of you who do not understand Shishona, I'm going to tell you. So they're basically saying, like, our hearts are attracted to each other. I don't know. I cannot obviously, be perfect into this, but it's something similar to that. Like our souls are agreeing or something, or I don't know. I don't know how to say it, but it's just there. It's like, yeah. So now I understand because. Yeah, love does not care whether you have a lot of money, whether you have a car, whether you are of a different skin color. If love finds you, man, it gets you. Or your tribe. If I'm not able, or if I do not understand, let me know. Something like that. I feel like I'm not doing a great job from saying Dinogo Nagudara Shishona. Let me know in the comment section. I feel like I am killing it right now. But Shona is a really beautiful language as well. It's kind of like one of those languages that are like easy to sing in. for some reason, I don't know. I feel like their words are already shortened. Everything is kind of like sounds so perfect when they sing in Shona. And to think that I understand Kalanga, but when you sing in Kalanga, it doesn't sound like how it sounds in Shona. So if you're like Shona speaking out there, man, you guys are Ah, 2013. Look at the fashion, like the colors that are. What were we doing in 2013, guys? What was beautiful stuff, man. 2013 was a good year for Chihera. Even the name, man. I'm like, I don't know. What is Chihera up to these days? Let's see. Is she active in the music industry, or what happened? Like, did she, like, I think I enjoyed all the songs on this album. Let's see, Chihera. Does she have any new music? Tracy. Yo, she doesn't even have music on this, huh? Does she have different channels? She just uploaded music 10 years ago and that was it. Sad, man. I think I had a DVD on this. I definitely would react to her other music. 2013 brings back lots and lots of good memories. Thank you so much for watching this, man. If you're watching this for the first time, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. I'll see you guys on the other side.